Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make text fade in and out in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start with selecting the type tool and click it on your preview video and begin typing your text, and you can then align it to the center by clicking on Align Center horizontally and vertically. Once you have made your adjustments under the Essential Graphics tab, let's go to Effects and search for Linear Wipe. And what we're going to do is to drag this linear wipe effect twice to our text graphic. Now let's go to Effect Controls, and for the first linear wipe, we are going to change the wipe angle to -90, and for the feather, we are going to set it to 750. Now make sure that your timeline slider is at the beginning of the text layer, and click on the clock icon beside transition completion to toggle the animation. And we're going to change it to 100. Let's move ahead around 3 seconds, and we are going to change the value of transition completion to 0, and that will create a keyframe. Now let's extend the duration of our text so we can have more space for the other keyframes. Now let's go on to the second linear wipe and change the feather to 750, and we keep the wipe angle at 90 degrees. From here, we are going to create a keyframe for transition completion by clicking on this clock icon beside it, and let's keep it at 0. Now let's move 3 seconds ahead again, and we are going to change the transition completion to 100, and that will create a keyframe within the second linear wipe. And it should look like this. And that is how you can basically make text fade in and out in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.